Namaskar, I am Eja Sheikh from KK Wagh Arts, Commerce, Science, Computer Science College, Kaka Sahib Nagar. Let us see the SYBSc Computer Science, Digital Communication and Networking, Electronics Paper Second, Chapter number 4, Computer Networking, Introduction to the Computer Networks with the help of Data Communication and Networking reference book by Forozen. First of all, what is network? A network is an interconnection or interconnected collection of the autonomous computers. The two computers are said to be interconnected if they are capable of exchanging information. During the 20th century, the key technologies was the information gathering, processing, distribution, among other developments. We saw the installation of the worldwide telephone networks, the invention of the radio, television, the birth and the unprecedented growth of the computer industries, and the launching of the communication satellites. All those things are possible due to only technologies. Then, what is computer networks? A system containing any combination of the computers, computer terminals, printers, audio or visual display devices or telephones interconnected by the telecommunication equipments or cables used to transmit or receive the information. This can be called as a computer networks. Then the applications area of the networks are marketing and sales, financial services, manufacturing, electronics, messaging, directory services, information services, electronics data interchange EDI, teleconferencing, cellular communication or telephone communication, and cable TV or broadcasting, etc. The computer network is an interconnection of the various computer systems located at the different places. Two or more computers are linked together with the medium or data communication devices for the purpose of communicating data and sharing resources. The computer that provides the resources to other computers on the network is called server, while the individual computer in the network which access and share the network resources is known as node. So here a figure shows the network diagram. We can see the wireless networks, LAN networks, then wired networks. Now the types of networks. There are many types of the computer networking which are used worldwide these days. There are some types of the networks that are using worldwide, which are LAN, local area network, WAN, worldwide network, WLAN, wireless local area network, PAN, personal area network, SAN, storage area network, GAN, global area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, CAN, control area network, DAN, DEX area network, and VPN, virtual private network, etc. So basically we are using the four types of networks, which are worldwide network or wide area network means WAN, local area network means LAN, metropolitan area network means MAN, and peer to peer communication means personal area network communication. Out of them, first is worldwide network means WAN. As shown in figure, the wide area network exists over a large area. The network spread geographically is called WAN, country or across the globe. Then the data travel through a telephone or cable TV or cable networks. They usually require a modem. The world largest wide area network in the internet. Internet is world's largest WAN network. Then local area network, as shown in figure, you can see that the local area network. The network in a small geographical area like a room, buildings or campus is called local area network. The local area networks span relatively small. The LANs are usually confined to one building or the group of buildings. The data travels between the network devices via a network cables. The most common types of the LAN is called Ethernet. Ethernet is an example of local area network. Here we see that the local area network, the use of LAN, file transfer, access, word and text processing, electronics message handling, remote database access, personal computing, and digital voice transmission and storage. The characteristics of LAN: every computer has a potential to communicate with any other computers of the network. High degree of connections between the computers. Easy physical connections of the computers in a network. Inexpensive medium of data transmission. High data transmission rate. Then local area network. We can see the local area network. The term worldwide area network is used to describe the computer network spanning region, national or global area. The characteristics of the WAN: the communication facilities for a big company spanning over the country. The employees can save long distance phone calls and it overcomes the time lag in the overseas communication. The computer conferencing is the another use of WAN where the user communicate with each other through their computer systems. Then the next networks are peer-to-peer network. It is usually very small networks used in personal area networks. 10. Each workstation has the equivalent capability and responsibilities. It does not require a switch or hub. There, these types of networks do not perform well under heavy data loads. Then metropolitan area network. The metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large geographical area, interconnecting a different land to form a large network. The government agencies use the MAN to connect the citizens and private industries. The MAN in MAN, the various lands are connected to each other through a telephone exchange lines. The most widely used protocols in the MANs are RS-232, frame relay, ATM, ISDN, ADSL, etc. It is a higher range than LAN. Then personal area network. Before we consider or we see the use of MAN or metropolitan area network. The MAN is used in a communication between the banks in a cities. It can be used in a airlines reservations. It can be used in a college within a city. It is it is also used in a communication in the militaries. Then personal area networks, PAN or private area network. The personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. The personal area network is used for the connecting the computers devices of personal use is known as personal area network. The Thomas Zimmerman was the first researcher scientist to bring the ideas of the PAN or personal area network. The personal area network covers an area of 30 feet. There are two types of personal area networks: wired personal area network and wireless personal area networks. There are some examples of personal area networks or body area networks, office networks, home networks, small home offices, etc. Here we see the distinguish between LAN, WAN or different computer area networks as shown in table LAN, WAN and MAN. Then applications of computer networks, resource sharing, information sharing, communication, remote computing and distributed processing, that is grid computing. Then internet works. An internet work is defined as two or more computer networks, that is LAN or WAN, or computer networks segments are connected using a device and they are configured by the local addressing schemes. This process is called internet working. There are two types of internet working, extranet and intranet. Thank you very much to listening me and watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.